eating carrots. It's good for my eyes.
Only know to eat. Don't know how to make anything.
How difficult could it be, Auntie Max? Okay. Step 1, find the recipe. Step 2, read the recipe. Step 3, follow the recipe, and boom, food on the table.
Boom, it seems. You save those steps for a dance floor, huh? None of that will work here. If it was so easy, why you don't make and show? I have a recipe book also. Take.
Okie dokie. Step 1, bagar the onions.
You know which one is the onion, no?
Yeah. Just to clarify, bagar is kind of like saute, right?
And what is the meaning of saute?
In the pan with the oil, like...
Shallow fry on slow fire, man.
I was just gonna say that.
I see. Then next, you have to blanch the tomatoes.
Blanch the tomatoes. Then while we're at it, why don't we resell the potatoes and Nicolette the chilies?
You don't know what blanch means, do you? It means you have to boil the bloody tomatoes till the skin splits open, man, and you can peel it off.
What? Why would I want to do that to a poor tomato, Auntie Mags? Really? Boil it and then skin it? That just sounds so barbaric. See, this is why I don't like to cook. Because it's so violent and inhuman.
The tomato is not human, man. Saiba Bugos, man, what to do with this one? That means you don't know what it means to baste the chicken.
Baste the chicken? Auntie Mags, it is based, not to baste the chicken.
Now, Billy, you're just bloody playing the fool here, wasting my time. Now, come on, out. Don't this thing. I have to get a lot of work done here.
Auntie Mags, I'm just messing. Yes, I don't know how to cook right now, but in today's day and age with Google and YouTube, I can just go on and see what they mean when they say bagar and blanch and whatever. Don't worry, I'll learn.
Cooking is no joking matter, man. It is one of the most important things a person can do for their family. Everyone should know their way around a kitchen.
Do Bosco and Uncle Silu know their way around the kitchen?
They know, little men. But see, I make better khana, no? So it's better if I do the cooking. But the point is that they know. All this YouTube and Google and this and that cannot help you, man. The best cooks in the world are the ones who know how to cook from here and from here. You don't need measuring cups and recipes and this and that. You have to know how to cook andaz say, man, you know?
Andaz. Now that I know, andaz eggs.
Just see this one, man. Sai Babu Ghost, man. This one is a hopeless case.
Like tomato, potato. It's all the same thing. I know things, Auntie Mags.
Lord have mercy on my Bosco, man.